Hello everyone. Have you been managing your diabetes? Well, if you're struggling to do that, then we have some programs for you. First, starting Wednesday, July 15th, we have our Take Control program. It is an 8-week program, so from July 15th through September 2nd, and we are offering live Zooms every Wednesday at 10 a.m. to roughly about 11 a.m. Or you can attend by watching the pre-recorded videos if you're not able to attend with us exactly at 10 o'clock every week. But this is a program to help people manage or prevent chronic disease, such as diabetes or heart disease. Also, next Tuesday, July 21st, we're having our monthly Lunch and Learn on how to manage your diabetes. So in both of these programs, we're going to mainly focus on nutrition with regards to managing your diabetes, as well as a little bit of physical activity, tracking your food, different things like that. So if you're interested in attending with us, then you can go onto our Person County Extension website on our Facebook page, or just onto eventbrite.com and search our Person County Extension Center and find out all the different workshops that we're going to be having. Right now, we are doing a nutrition program with kids, and we're talking about the MyPlate. And again, we always want people to eat a rainbow because it's very colorful and it gives you lots of nutrients. And portion size, using a plate like this or making sure that your portions are appropriately sized with regards to your MyPlate meal will also help you manage your diabetes. So these plates are available through our programs, as well as I think I've found some even just in Walmart before, but just getting right-sized portions so you're making sure that you're not eating too much meat, but half of your plate should be fruits and vegetables. This is just a couple of different things that you can do to help manage your diabetes. If you want to know more, you can join our 8-week program or check out just our one-time program. Both of these will be taking place here in July, and you can go to our Facebook page, Person Granville FCS, and find out more. This has been Jennifer Brown, Family Consumer Science Agent with the North Carolina Cooperative Extension Service. Thanks for tuning in.